welcome to another milestone achievement by Geometric Space Structures Private Limited, redefining industrial infrastructure with precision and innovation. Here's a glimpse of our latest warehouse project, a structure that truly stands tall in terms of both engineering and functionality. Stretching an impressive 240 feet in length, with a clear span of 125 feet and a height of 26 feet, this warehouse embodies strength, efficiency, and modern design. Its spacious layout is tailored to house a wide range of electronic and home appliance inventories securely. A standout feature of this warehouse is the mezzanine, constructed using cold-formed members to secure waterproof checker plywood. This advanced setup enhances functionality and ensures durability. Even in challenging conditions, the entire project, from concept to completion, was delivered in a remarkable 7 weeks. This reflects the efficiency and dedication of our team, ensuring timely delivery without compromising on quality. Our commitment to excellence is not just about building structures, it's about building trust. The client expressed immense satisfaction with the project, praising the quality, design, and timely completion. At Geometric Space Structures, we believe in delivering more than just buildings. We create solutions that drive industries forward. Let us bring your vision to life with unmatched expertise and dedication.